Welcome to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix a problem. And in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can summarize any video using ChatGPT. And I'll be showing you guys, and by doing that, you guys can summarize even a 1 hour or a 10-hour videos into short bullet points and read those bullet points and understand it instead of just watching for 10 hours. That's how simple this video is going to make your life. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First step, you want to go to your Chrome web browser and then you want to install this extension called YouTube and Article Summary powered by ChatGPT. Now if you search for this, it might not show up or it might give you all those options. So to make it simple, just search for GLASP. Once you search for GLASP on Chrome web store or any web store on your browser and then add it as an extension, what you want to do is go to a YouTube video. Now once you go to a YouTube video, let's say I want to summarize this YouTube video into 10 bullet points. What I can do is, once you install this extension on your browser, there's going to be this thing shown right beside a YouTube video on your YouTube, alright? Now once you see this, it means you have installed it on your browser. So what you want to do is just click on this little icon of ChatGPT and it's going to summarize your video. First, it's going to open ChatGPT on the side. Now if you guys have logged in into your ChatGPT, it'll open automatically. Otherwise, it'll ask you to log in into your account first. Once you do that, it'll summarize the entire video. So scroll all the way to the bottom and you can see the points in which it's summarized. Now I can just read these points and understand what this video is trying to say instead of watching it for 28 minutes. That's how easy it makes you. So yeah, that's how you guys can summarize any video using ChatGPT. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel. And the video needs to be in English, and if the video doesn't has any transcript, then ChatGPT is not going to work. So keep that in mind, alright? That video needs to have a transcript. Most of the time it'll not work for a video which is not English. So make sure you try it on videos that is English or that uses English language.